Hello, my name is Virginia and I am a puppeteer and puppet maker that lives in Portland, Oregon. My puppeteer name is Viruta, that in Spanish means wood shaving. I am here today because I want to show you how to make a new friend from things that you might have at the house, including cardboard and paint. I am going to introduce you right now with Juancho. This is a prototype of what you are going to be making. And watch out because he's always very hungry and he might try to eat you even through the screen. Juancho, please don't do it. Juancho. Well, yes, Juancho is very friendly and very loving, but he is always hungry. Alright, so let's talk about materials. To make something similar to Juancho, you are going to need some materials like the ones that I am listing here that are also listed below the video, and some tools like these ones that are also listed below our video. Are you ready to have fun? I am going to show you the process. Some parts are going to be shown in a very quick way, and some other parts we are going to talk and go slower. I hope you like it. We are going to work in different steps, and in between steps we are going to be patient and wait for things to dry. I always recommend to cover the area that you are going to be using with some paper so we don't put stains or glue on it. To start, we are going to mark our egg cartons and cut it in half, being very careful when we use our scissors. Later, we are going to glue the edges and paste them together, massaging the carton to make this union strong. This is going to be the mouth of our lizard. While this is drying, we are going to build the head, sizing it around our mouth. Let's say the two egg cartons stuck together. When we are done gluing our mouth and building our head, we are going to take a break for things to dry very well. When we are very sure that our parts are dry, we are going to start with the painting process. I decided to go with green to paint the top and edges of our mouth and also the head of our puppet. If you wish, you can use a different color. While this is drying, we are going to cut the eyes of our puppet with the rest of the carton that we had. When we are sure that our green areas are dry, we are going to start to paint the teeth and the eyes of our puppet. I decided to go for white, but again, you can choose a different color if you prefer. So here we have our mouth. Oh yeah, that looks like a mouth. And here we have our head and our eyes. Now is the time that we join the head and mouth with the paper fasteners. If you don't have them at home, you are going to engineer some kind of system with wire or paper clips. You can ask for help with this. We are going to mark the 4 little places where our joints are going to be. We are going to make our holes with an exacto knife or any other tool that serve for the same purpose. You need to be careful using these super sharp tools to not cut yourself, and you might want to ask for help. After we made all the holes, we are going to trim the edges at the end of the egg cartons, so later our hands are comfortable to open and close the mouth of the puppet. This is where they are going to go. Carefully, we are going to assemble the parts and put the fasteners in place. Hopefully, we did the holes in the right place and we will not have a problem aligning them. Now we have our 4 fasteners together on place. We are going to see if the mouth open and close. You are going to put your hand inside, one on each of the boxes, and you are going to open it and close. It might be not very easy, but you are going to get used to. And look at this guy. Now we are going to add the eyes, and for that I like this position better. This might be okay too, so you can decide how you want it. I am going to put them like this. For that I am going to make a little hole. So again, this is when you want your help. Because sharp objects can be dangerous, and we will not like to have an accident. Let's see if the hole is big enough. We are going to cut this flappy part here. And I would like us to glue the eyes to the box so they just don't move. And we are going to need to let it dry. Our lizard is almost done. Look at this. He has nice eyes. Now it needs some detail. So I am going to do a little bit of painting on the eyes. And you can do more details if you want. You can do scales, you can do decoration, or you can do whatever you want. I have some black paint here for the pupils. Nice and round. The carton that I have, it already has a little circle. I don't know if it's something that all the cartons in the eggs has, or just this one. But it is very convenient for me at this moment. Yeah, no? He's happy. I'm going to do a nose here too. My brush in the water, and I'm going to paint the top on green so it matches all the rest. This is the moment when you can start to think, what's the name of this character that you are building here? In my case, his name is Juancho, because it is a very famous character from when I was a kid, that it was called Lagarto Juancho. Lagarto in Spanish means lizard, so it will be Lizard Johnny or something like that. So in here, this guy is called Juancho in the memory of the lizard from my childhood. Okay, you guys, I think we can say that this project is complete. He opens and closes his mouth. He might be hungry. Watch out, because he might be trying to eat something and oh no! He's in my mouth! He's in my hands! Oh! Alright, Juancho, you need just to be patient and wait for the food time. Okay, hope your lizard is a little nicer. Until next time, bye bye.